All right, question number 7 says the data on the right represents the number of chocolate chip cookies in a random sample. We got name brand and a store brand. We're going to complete parts A through C. So A here says draw side-by-side box plots of the brand of cookie. Use N for name brand and S for store brand. So I've been doing it in StatCrunch. I don't know how to do the side by side. So in StatCrunch, I can do them one at a time. If I go to box plot, I tell it the name brand. So this gives me one of them. It tells you name brand. And then if I go to graph and I do box plot again, and this time I do store brand, just do the same labels. I can get both of them and just kind of line them up and compare them. Now the thing here is the labeling is different. As you can see, this one is 20 here, and this one, the 20 starts about right here. So if I was going to stack them, I would have to kind of off-center them like this, roughly. So this will give us a better idea. Store brand up here, name brand here. Looks like the name brand has, I would say, more variance because it's more spread out. It goes, well, this one goes to 32. I can't really tell what this one is. Upper limit 33. And this upper limit is 33. So they both have the same upper limit, but they don't start at the same place. There's a this is about 20. So this one has more variance actually. It goes to a lower limit of 16 and all the way to 33. This one has a lower limit of 20. So there's a lot more spread here. But here's the information that we want. And so let's try to answer these questions. Nothing went to 10. C looks to be the best. That looks like it's going way close to 10. This would be roughly about the 13 or the 16 that we saw. So C looks to be the best box plot. Does there appear to be a difference in the number of chips per cookie? Yes, if we pull this information up again. So if this is lined up, the middle is the median. This middle is higher than this middle. So just on average, and this is skewed to the right, so it's going to pull the average to the right. So seems like the name brand has more chocolate chips per cookie because this one has way less. So name brand has more per cookie. No difference. Store brand has more, so name brand would have more. And then part C, does one brand have more consistent number of cookies, chips per cookie? More consistent. Again, it would be the name brand because there's less variability, less spread. This one is more spread out, so there's, some might have very, very few, some have a lot. And then when you compare this one, there's a little bit spread, but not near as much as here. So the name brand appears to have more on average and be more consistent. Store brand, name brand, more consistent. So we're going to say the name brand is more consistent.